वेलकम टू जेल वेराइटीज़। फ्रेंड्स, आज का टॉपिक है ओलंपिक गेम्स पार्ट 2। आज हम इंडिया एट ओलंपिक्स के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स को जानेंगे, तो वीडियो को स्किप ना करें। आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्रेस बेल आइकन फॉर द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ नेक्स्ट वीडियो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आज इंडिया एट समर ओलंपिक्स हॉकी को थोड़ा और जान लेते हैं। 1928 अंडर कैप्टनशिप ऑफ जयपाल सिंह मुंडा इंडिया ओन गोल्ड। 1932 अंडर कैप्टनशिप ऑफ लालशाह बुखारी ओन गोल्ड। 1936 अंडर कैप्टनशिप ध्यानचंद ओन गोल्ड। 1948 किशन लाल ओन गोल्ड। 1952 अंडर केडी सिंह इंडिया ओन gold. And in 1956 under captainship of Balbir Singh Senior, India won gold. And under captainship of Leslie Claudius in 1960, India won bronze. 1964 under Captain Charanjit Singh, India won gold. In 1962 and 1972, India won bronze under captainship of Pritipal Singh and Harmik Singh. In 1976, India has no medal. In 1980, under captainship of Vasudevan Bhaskaran, India won gold. Next, in 1980 Moscow USSR Olympics, India introduced women hockey team and they placed 4th. Next point, in 1984 Los Angeles USA Olympics, PT Usha participated 400-meter hurdles. She is the first Indian woman to reach Olympic finals but missed the medal for a second. Next, PT Usha represent India in 1980, 1984 and 1988 Olympics. Her full name is Pilabhulakandi Thekeparambil Usha, also known as Golden Girl, Payali Express, Udan Puri, Queen of Track and Field. Sprinter Shiny Abraham Wilson is the first Indian woman to reach Olympic semi-finals. In 1992 Barcelona Spin Olympics, she was the flag bearer of India. In 1996 Atlanta US Olympics, Leander Paes won bronze medal. He is the first Indian to win Olympic medal in tennis. He is the first Indian and only tennis player to compete at 7 Olympic Games. 1992 to 2016 participated in 7 Olympics. Next point, 2000 Sydney Australia Olympics, Karnam Maleshwari won bronze medal in women's 69 kg category. She is the first Indian won Olympic medal and also she is the first Indian won Olympic medal in weightlifting. 2004 Athens Greece Olympics, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore won silver medal in shooting double trap category. He was the first Indian to win individual Olympic medal in shooting. 2017 to 19 Minister of Youth and Affairs and Sports. In 2008 Beijing China Olympics, Abhinava Bindra won gold medal in shooting men's 10-meter air rifle category. In 2008 Beijing China Olympics, Bijender Singh won bronze medal in boxing at 75 kg middleweight category. And in 2008 Beijing China Olympics, Sushil Kumar also won bronze in 66 kg freestyle event. India got 3 medals in 2008. And in 2012 London UK Olympics, Gagan Narang won bronze medal in shooting at 10-meter air rifle. And in 2012 London UK Olympics, Bijay Kumar won silver medal in shooting at 25-meter pistol rapid fire category. And in 2012 London UK Olympics, Saina Nehwal won bronze medal in women's single category. 2012 London UK Olympics, Mary Kom also won bronze medal in boxing flyweight at 551 kg category. In 2012 London UK Olympics, Yogeshwar Dutt won bronze medal in wrestling freestyle 60 kg category. 2012 London UK Olympics, Sushil Kumar also won silver medal in wrestling freestyle 66 kg category. 2012 London UK Olympics, India got 6 medals. 2016 Rio Brazil Olympics, Sakshi Malik won bronze medal in wrestling women's freestyle 58 kg category. Sakshi Malik is the first Indian female wrestler won a medal at Olympic. And next point, 2016 Rio Brazil Olympics, PV Sindhu won silver medal in badminton. And PV Sindhu is the youngest Indian won an Olympic medal. After 2016, India got medals at Summer Olympics are field hockey 11 medals, shooting 4 medals, athletics 2 medals, wrestling 5 medals, badminton 2 medals, boxing 2 medals, tennis 1 medal, weightlifting 1 medal, equal 28 medals from every field. Total 9 gold plus 7 silver plus 12 bronze means 28 medals. 2020 Tokyo Olympics postponed to 2021 due to coronavirus pandemic. And next important point, Olympic Games Tokyo 2020 will start on 23rd July 2021 and Summer Olympic Games end date 8 August 2021. 5 new sports for 2020 Tokyo Olympics: sport climbing, surfing, skateboarding, karate, baseball or softball. Next important point, 2024 Summer Olympics will be held in Paris and 2022 Winter Olympics will be held in Beijing. If you like my work, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.